Are you in search of ways to earn money online without any investment? You're in the right place. This video will introduce you to a world of opportunities that exist right at your fingertips. We'll explore a variety of methods that can help you boost your income without requiring any upfront financial commitment. From freelance work to online surveys and reviews, and even affiliate marketing, there's something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn. Stay tuned as we dive into each of these methods in detail. Our first method is freelancing, an excellent way to use your existing skills. Freelancing is essentially selling your skills or services by the hour, day, or project to various clients without committing to a long-term employer. You could be a writer, developer, designer, or a virtual assistant. The possibilities are endless. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer a marketplace where freelancers can connect with clients across the globe. These platforms make it easy to search for projects that fit your skill set and bid on them. It's like a global talent show where the best bid wins. But remember, the competition is fierce. So building a strong profile that showcases your skills, experience, and past projects is crucial. And once you secure a project, deliver top-notch quality to get those stellar reviews. These reviews boost your reputation and help you secure more projects. Moving on, let's explore another exciting avenue for online earning. Next up is earning through online surveys and reviews. You'd be surprised how much your opinion is worth to companies out there. They're eager to understand consumer behaviors, preferences, and perspectives, and they're willing to pay for it. Platforms like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie are prime examples where you can get paid to share your thoughts on products or services. These platforms offer a variety of surveys and review opportunities ranging from food items, electronics, to even your everyday household products. But here's a crucial point to remember. Honesty is key. Companies are looking for genuine feedback to improve their offerings. So don't just say what you think they want to hear. Give your honest opinion, whether it's positive or negative. And the best part? You can do this in your spare time, right from the comfort of your own home. Remember, every opinion counts and could add to your online income. Let's proceed to our next method. Affiliate marketing is another promising way to earn money online. Consider it as a bridge between a consumer and a product. As an affiliate marketer, you're the bridge. You recommend products or services to your audience, and when they make a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's essentially earning money while you sleep. Let's take Amazon affiliates as an example. You sign up, get approved, and you're given a unique link. You then share this link in your blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a percentage of that sale. It's a win-win situation. The company gets a sale, the customer gets the product they need, and you get a piece of the pie. The secret to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right products to recommend and building trust with your audience. So, with the right strategy, affiliate marketing can be a significant source of online income. Now that we've discussed some of the easiest ways to make money online without investment, it's time to take action. We've delved into the intriguing world of freelance work, a realm that opens its doors wide for those armed with a diverse range of skills. From graphic design and writing to programming and tutoring, the freelance market is a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be discovered. It's all about unleashing your potential and turning your skills into a sustainable income stream. Next, we explored the simplicity of online surveys and reviews. These platforms offer a straightforward way of earning some extra cash on the side. All it requires is your time, attention, and honest opinions. Not to mention, it's a great way to influence the products and services of tomorrow. Then, we navigated the vast ocean of affiliate marketing. This approach allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. It's about finding a product you like, promoting it to others, and earning a piece of the profit for each sale you make. These methods are not merely ways to make money online, but means to achieve financial independence, flexibility, and self-fulfillment. It's about finding what suits your skills, interests, and lifestyle, and then taking the leap. Remember, the internet offers endless opportunities. It's up to you to seize them. Thanks for watching and good luck on your online money-making journey.